Switching from Apple to Samsung, why an Apple user prefers this here Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, baby. Or like I like to say, the Zorro Flip. I'm gonna tell you right now in this video. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I know tech so you don't have to. Hello? Who this? Man, Tim Apple, why you keep calling me in the middle of Samsung season, player? You know better. Man, I heard about your little event next month. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Until then. Ooh. Hello? Who this? Oh, so you want me to give you my bank account number and my social security number? Word? Oh, man. Why didn't you say so in the beginning? Give me 1 second. I got that for you. All right. The Samsung Z Flip has landed. It's in the building, baby. This is my Zorro Flip, and I couldn't be happier. Yes, the Apple user is singing praises of respect and joy to Samsung. Bravo, Samsung. Shout out to you. Why? Because look how much they're willing to risk to bring us the forwarding technology in the hands of consumers today, baby. Thank you. This is awesome, man. Now listen, I love big phones, but I love big phones that fold even more. I'm exhausted with the big phone sticking out of my back pocket. I want my freedom back. It's my freedom and I want it now. And that's exactly what you're offered with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, baby. And please, don't listen to any of the technology snobs out there trying to downplay any specs on this device. Why? Because they are flagship worthy specs. Don't be fooled by the naysayers. In today's phone technology state, we've officially hit the plateau. So much so that a 108 megapixel camera with a 100x zoom is the brand new selling point. No disrespect to Samsung, but why is that? Simply put, we've pretty much pushed the design about as far as it can go. The current smartphone design isn't going any further, which is why foldable phone technology is exciting. It takes the design we have come to know so well and puts a new spin on it. The potential is endless at this point, and it's quite frankly the next chapter in the phone tech world. Love it or hate it. Or else, to be quite frank, the next thing we're gonna get is a 200x zoom with a 200 megapixel camera. I'm just saying. So what does the Z Flip offer that other phones can't? It's quite blatant, but it's compactability. Easily the most satisfying thing about the Z Flip is that its 6.7-inch screen folds down to half of its size. Yes, it gets thicker. That's what she said. But it gets better. That didn't sound right. Get your head out the gutter, player. I can put this phone in my pocket and be on my way. Shirt pockets, jacket pockets, front pockets, back pockets, all check. And in some cases, that little small coin pocket on your jeans, if it's big enough, you'll get the Z Fold to fit in there. I've seen it done before. That is priceless to me, in my opinion. Now, not only is compactability a thing, but the 90-degree flex view is a glimpse into the new horizons. As soon as I get this thing out of my pocket, I'll show you. Now, I can set my phone down, it will balance itself, and I will be able to take a selfie with the wave of a hand. How many times do we need someone else or wish we had someone else to take that photo? Well, now that's less of an issue or a problem with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Also, in full clamshell mode, I'm able to utilize the high megapixel, high quality main cameras for a selfie, baby. Did you understand me? I can see myself in the small display. Yes, it's small. We'll talk about that later, but it's useful. Hey, it's a lot better than shooting blind, ain't it? Let's keep it a buck. And yes, a bigger front display would have been the more ideal thing. But think about that. It's more battery usage as well as a higher price point. Maybe we'll see it in future models. Maybe we won't. Only time will tell. You let us know, Samsung, what you bringing. Now, also in flex view mode, apps are gonna be able to take advantage of this. You already have the advantage of the photo app that you can get in here and you can have controls from the bottom while using just the top half as a monitor. That's super clutch. So far, YouTube has adopted the flex view mode, and in time, more apps will fall in line, I'm sure. Can't wait. So with all this being said, who is the Galaxy Z Flip really for? That is the question. Well, without a doubt, it's the biggest flex phone of the year by far. Closing the hang up on some suckers. Unflipping that bad boy in front of the masses. I guarantee you, in the public, Unfolding this device will be a conversation piece or a conversation starter by far. You're gonna be the talk of the party, baby. What is that? What in the world? But I like to think of it as more than just the flex. It's actually for those tech-forward users who are willing to be the day one adopters and guinea pigs, essentially, in order to move the culture forward. We gotta report back any issues so they can fix it. This is why I chose to own one of these Samsung Galaxy Z Flips. And of course, not the flex, no, okay? I didn't get this to be out there, whipping out on them. Oh man, all right, man. The player trying to be out there in full savage mode. I gotta go crazy, baby. I gotta get the flex with the Z Flip. I'm just joking, man. Don't judge me, man. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I know tech so you don't have to, baby. Smash that sub button, smash that like button, watch another video. It's Galaxy Samsung season, and I got you guys covered. And I'm gonna be getting in depth with the Z Flip, like the real useful information. So those of you who actually own one, I got your back. Those of you who want to own one or considering owning one, I have your back. And those of you who won't own one, I got your back too. I will be getting one of the S20 models, reporting to you live on that as well. And whatever other great smartphones are released this year. And smartwatches. My name is CJ, baby. Peace. Hello? Tim Apple, man, come on. Yeah, I'm done with my video, bruh. The season isn't over, man. I promise you, next month we'll talk, okay?